you doing? This is your friend and brother Lucky Matthew on your screen today. If you're visiting to my channel for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel and please turn on the notification bell so that at the end of the day, when I upload an important video like this, you'll be the first to get notified. Okay, today I'm going to be teaching you how to use Coinw exchange, coinw.com exchange to buy Ultima token. Okay, so the first thing you want to do first is to call up your Coinw exchange platform on the app on your phone. This is a mobile phone, so I've just called it up. Now, for you to be able to successfully trade on Coinw, just like every other exchange, you will need to have your account verified. After registration, verify with your valid ID card, and then set up your Google Authenticator, and also set up your asset password, like fund password. With that asset or fund password, that's what they will request each time you want to make a withdrawal of your fund. Without that being set up, you can't withdraw your asset from Coinw, and the same thing goes uh, across other exchanges. Without fund password being set up, you can withdraw your funds. So you have to make sure you have that set up after your verification. All right, let's begin. What you want to do first is to click on, give me a second, you click on trade at the bottom. You click on trade. The moment you tap on trade, it shows you a trading interface, spot interface. If you look closely right now, you will see that my available USDT is 0, but I have money on the account. I transferred money from my other exchange, my other account, to Coinw. So it's currently at my funding wallet. So how do you now access that? You access that by just going to tapping this place, this circle arrow, just from this trading interface. You tap on it. Once you tap on it, it pops up a transfer interface. Now, what are we doing? We are sending from, transferring from funding to spot. Okay. And if you can see here right now, we have $600, but I'm going to use just 500. So I'm sending 500 from my funding to spot. So I typed $500 and confirm. Yes, successfully transferred. Okay. So I need to tap on the arrow at the top right to go back. Tap on this arrow at the top right to go back. So you tap on it, it takes you back. Then we have $500 right there at the balance. Right there at the balance, we have 500 USDT. So what are we doing next? What are we doing next? Now we will need to buy $400 worth of or $450 worth of Ultima. Okay, let's do $500 worth of Ultima. We'll do $500 worth of Ultima right now. Okay, so but if you look here right now, we don't have Ultima as our currency. So we just need to tap on this point. You tap on that place, it's going to open on the search bar, and you search for Ultima. Although Ultima is displayed here by default because I always use this platform, but for the sake of those who have not used it before, you will not see Ultima there. You just search for Ultima. Ultima USDT appears, and boom, it opens up. So what are you going to do next? Now I want to buy using market order. There's a difference between market order and pending order. The market order is you want the exchange to trigger or buy for you at the prevailing market price. While limit price, which you are seeing right now, it simply means you want the exchange to allow you buy at your own rate. So let me put it at change. I'm going to change here now. Let me point it to you. You tap on this place if you want to change it to market. Tap on it. change it to price. So price. So how much am I putting? I'm putting, say, $450. There are $450 worth of Ultima, and then that's basically it. And then you click on buy. The market will buy for you automatically, instantly. Boom, we've purchased it. We purchased it. So if you check here now, we have 0.0868 Ultimas. Sorry, let's go back here. As you can see here right now, we have 0.08 under our available Ultima assets. Okay, so that's basically how to do that. I have just purchased the Ultima. Now I also need to buy, I want to buy USDT, I mean a smart coin worth of $49. Smart coin worth of $49. Now at this instance, I'm also need to change, I'm going to have to change the currency to smart coin now by tapping here. Also tap it there and change it to smart. I search for smart, and smart appears. I buy smart. So okay, I'm gonna just do smart, say $20 worth of smart. I'll do $20 worth of smart. Place an order to buy smart right now of $20. So what am I going to do right now? I will just like I did, is currently on price, which is the market order. Okay, on Coinw. Coinw is the market order on Coinw is called price, but the limit order is called limit price. So all right, I put in the amount again. I'm buying, say, $30 worth of smart coins at market price, and it triggers instantly for me. Purchased. So when you check here, I've purchased about 8,000 something smart coins right now at the prevailing market price. 8,134 smart coins. As you can see, I have done the purchase. All right, guys, that's how it is. How you buy Ultima or buy Smart on Coinw. You have it now. So you can now also go back to that arrow and transfer what your purchase asset to funding so that you can be able to withdraw it to wherever you want to withdraw it to. So you come here again, tap on that circle, purple circle. It takes you back to the transfer. Now I'm going to transfer from spot now to funding. So for you to toggle between funding and spot and funding, you just need to tap on this place. Just need to tap on this place. It will change it will switch it, flip it round, flip it from spot to funding or from funding to spot. So now we are at the current place, at the right place. So I'm transferring 8,134 smart to spot so that I can be able to funding, sorry, so that I can be able to withdraw it. Confirmed. I'm also going to do the same thing with Ultima. I'm going to do the same thing with Ultima. From spot to funding, I tap on confirm and it goes. Yep. So that is basically how to do that. All right, guys. Now you can also, from here now, you can withdraw to make your payment, to buy your package, or transfer it to your smart wallet, which is the right thing to do. Send it to your smart wallet. One of the reasons why I prefer Coinw is because Coinw has the lowest fees so far. The fee they charge for withdrawing smart coin from your exchange, from your wallet, is 0.5, while an exchange like Mexi charges about 250 smart coins, and they charge a very relatively low amount for withdrawing Ultima. So that's basically how to do this. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye for now.